thank you for your answer, First Minister. First Minister, I attended a meeting in Llanidloes in August. Hundreds attended from the community. Not only were voices of concern expressed in that meeting from the public and politicians, but also from GPs, past and present, and other health professionals about Powys Teaching Health Board's proposals to downgrade services at Llanidloes Hospital. Now, last week, the Health Board approved the proposals for what they refer to as a temporary change for ward-based services at the hospital. Can I ask you, First Minister, what is your view on this matter? Obviously, as a regional member, as well as the First Minister, you will know I've written to you, the former Health Minister, and also the Health Minister, the current Health Minister also, particularly in regards to the consultation on whether that was adequate, because it took place over the August period, and also on the term temporary change and to what degree you accept that this will be a temporary change. But also, of course, the Health Board also pointing out that they carried this out due to budgetary pressures.
Well, thanks very much. You will be aware that service changes are not a decision for the Welsh Government, that the Welsh Government's role is to provide strategic direction, and it is up to the local health boards to respond to the local needs, and I think it doesn't make sense for us to be managing that from a position, an office in Cardiff. What I will tell you is that there is a statutory role in terms of how you consult, how you make those changes, and changes, I'm sure there'll be continual changes in the health service. It's quite right that we have to change constantly if we want to keep updated. We may see more specialist areas. We may find that it's difficult to recruit people, but primarily, it's got to be about safety and outcomes. What is the best outcome for the patient? That's what really should be driving what we do here. What I can tell you is that the end-of-life care will continue to be provided in Bwrdd and Llanidloes Hospital. Set-up care, including rehabilitation and reablement, will continue to be available for GP admissions. So there is still a facility there.